Hello everyone, this is Recreate83 and today I have here Bambox. Now I'm really looking forward to this box because it's a horror box and I love my horror. So I'm just going to dive straight in and see what we got because it's paperwork and pen. Yay! Chucky! One of my favourite horrors of all time. Anything to do with child play. Love Brad Dourif and I love Jeff Patilli, who does the voice of Tiffany in Killer Ones. Right, so we have got an S-Mart employee badge for Ash. That's Ash is. Oh, I know what Ash is as well. Army of Darkness, Living Dead. We've got a box. Demonic Puzzle Box Toy. Which is a puzzle box of. Yes! The Demonic Puzzle Box. I love Hellraiser. Now it's only a Rubik's Cube of the box, but still pretty nifty. We've got the comic, which is Kiss, a signed Kiss comic at that. Gonna have to find out who signed the Kiss comic. I am a massive fan of Kiss as well, so all good. Oh, a Ghostface signed picture. Massive fan of Scream as well. One of the best of the newer age horror movies out there. And now a TV show. And finally we have Freddy and Jason print. Now I love Freddy and I love Jason. Wasn't a big fan of the movie with the two of them, but you can't have everything. So what have we got? Bambox exclusive horrors. We could have got Chucky, which we did. Jigsaw or some sort of doll with a pumpkin head. Don't know. But I got Chucky. I know who Chucky is. Then we got the Bambox exclusive Demonic Puzzle Box Cube, which I absolutely love that. I have my very own puzzle box. We have a S-Mart Ash employee ID from Army of Darkness, Evil Dead. I know I get it. And then we got, what's this? Next theme is adult cartoons, which has got Beavis and Butthead, Rick and Morty, Simpsons and Bob's Burgers, both of which I watch. Not too much on Beavis and Butthead. Okay, Exorcist signed Linda Blair or Ghostface signed Skeet Ulrich signed. Oh, Skeet Ulrich signed one. That's cool. I'm not going to ruin any of the films for you if you haven't seen them, but I'm really happy about that. Then we got the Bambox exclusive Kiss Volume 1 signed by artist John Lucas. Which, yeah, or you could have got a black and white variant. Normally I do like the variants, but the fact that it's in colour does look pretty cool. And it's Kiss, so you can't go wrong. And finally we have Jason and Freddy, or Michael Myers and Leatherface, signed and numbered art print by artist John Branham. And I got the one I actually wanted there, Freddy and Jason. Not big on Leatherface, do like Michael though. But that is everybody's box for this month, which was really cool. So thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I shall bring you more videos soon. Goodbye.